Okay guys, we're going to make a video on how to program a 2013 Toyota RAV4, how to program the key and how to generate the key from scratch. So we're basically going to pull the door cylinder, either the passenger or driver's side door cylinder. We'll have the key code on it, and through our software that we have, we can run that code and then get the cuts to that key. So first things first, I need to open the RAV4. Once I gain entry into it, I'm going to pull the cylinder out of the door, and then I'm going to read the code off, run it through the software, cut it on a metal key, test it, make sure it turns in the door and turns in the ignition. After it does that, we'll go ahead and hook our Smart Box Mini up to the vehicle in the OBD port and program the Toyota H-chip key to the vehicle. We'll keep you updated through each step. Okay, so we're at the vehicle, the 2013 Toyota RAV4. Before we gain entry into the vehicle, we have to fill out some forms for the state of Texas. We also have to fill out our invoice and get a signature. That way, if there's ever a question of who we let in the vehicle, we can get that to the authorities. This is our invoice right here. So we would fill out their name, address, phone number, and then the services, and then have them at the very bottom put in their license plate number, what color is the car, all those kind of details we put into this invoice. And then we actually save their cuts and put it on their invoice. That way, if they ever call back 3 months later or whatever and they lose their keys again, we could always pull up the key cuts off of our invoice that we put in the records. So it's raining right now, so I'm gonna get out there and try to pull the door cylinder and see what kind of code comes on it so we can run it through the software. Okay, so there's the part of the door lock that comes out. Just gotta remove this plug on the side of the door. There we go. Pick that up. Okay, and then I'm just gonna reach my tool in there, loosen the screw. It's got a security screw in there, and then pull the cylinder out. Okay, so this is the RAV4 door cylinder right here, and there's some different key codes on there. I don't want to show you the codes just in case, but they are on there. I'll run this through software, and then I'll make a test key, and then we'll see if it operates it, and then I'll test the ignition. Okay, I got the key code off the lock for the Toyota 2013 Toyota RAV4. I'll be using the HPC machine right here. Just put on the appropriate blade, and I have the appropriate carding here, so I'm going to go ahead and cut the cuts, and we'll go test it in the lock cylinder. We'll see over here if the cuts work in this door cylinder. Okay, so I just made the key for the Toyota RAV4, and moment of truth. Let's see if it works. Mission accomplished. It does work. Okay, so the mechanical key does work in the ignition. It does turn right there. It turns both ways. So now I have to go test in the ignition and then cut it on a Toyota transponder key, which is an H chip. It has an H right by the head of the key. It's kind of hard to see on the there you go, Toyota H chip key. So I'm gonna go take the key, stick it in the ignition, see if it turns. If it does, cut it on a transponder key, and then hook the Smart Box Mini, which is this guy right here, up to the vehicle and program it. Okay, so the key did work. It turned in the ignition and turned in both doors. I reinstalled the cylinder back in the door, so I put the original here, and now I'm going to put the chip key in, copy it on there, and then hook the Smart Box Mini up to it and program it. Okay, I've got the Smart Box Mini here plugged in, the OBD port down there plugged in. So they are now synced up. I've got the key here that I'm going to attempt to program. So you can follow me through on the steps here. Let's see. Okay, so Smart Box Mini. Turned away while I entered my PIN. Okay, it's logging in. Okay, I'm in. So I'm going to go in here to programming. Make is Toyota. Toyota RAV4 right there. 2013. Submit. First option. Okay, so I'm going to hit continue, and I'm going to program a transponder key. Okay. How many keys do you want to program? Do not include the original. Just going to be one. Let's give it a second. It's loading. Alright, do not consume before turn the ignition to the on position. Continue. All keys lost. So just hit all keys lost, 1 minute. Turn ignition off and remove key. Insert the new master key and turn the ignition to on. Continue. Keep the driver's side door open throughout the procedure. Continue. Turn the ignition off and remove the key. Insert the same key. Oh, and leave it in the off position, I'm sorry. If you have any additional keys to program, insert each key into the ignition and leave it off for 5 seconds. Leave your final key in the ignition when you click continue, which is now. I got a 1 minute wait. I'll pick up here in a minute. Okay, the minutes has been done and it says programming successful. So I'm gonna hit that and hit complete. And that should be able to start the car. There you go. Winner. All done. So mission accomplished. We'll continue to put out more and more content on our YouTube channel for sure, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We really work hard to try to get subscribers, and we work hard to put out good content that you know, our followers and subscribers would like to watch. If you have any suggestions, leave a comment, and we'll try to make a video on that particular topic. Thanks again.